Hello, I am Akanksha Rudy. Today I am going to talk about water scarcity. Clean, safe drinking water is scarce. Today, nearly 1 billion people in the developing world don't have access to it. Yet we take it for granted. We waste it, and we even pay too much to drink it from little plastic bottles. Water is foundation of life, and still today, all around the world, far too many people spend their entire day searching for it. In places like sub-Saharan Africa, time lost gathering water and suffering from waterborne diseases is limiting people's true potential, especially women and girls. What is water picture in this country? India has almost 18% of global population, but only 4% of fresh water resources. On per capita water availability basis, India falls in the category of water-stressed nations, defined as those with less than 1700 cubic meter water per capita per year. In 2011, its average water availability hovered around 1545 cubic meter, down from 1816 cubic meters in 2001. But at several places, it is already less than even 1000 cubic meters, making them water scarce. In any case, the whole nation is expected to be water scarce by 2050. So it is high time to wake up and face the coming reality with rationality. Water scarcity. Lack of sufficient available water resources to meet water needs within a region is known as water scarcity. It affects every continent and around 2.8 billion around the world at least 1 month out of every year. Water scarcity involves water shortage, water stress, and water crisis. What is water stress? Water stress is difficulty in obtaining sources of fresh water for use during a period of time. It may result in further depletion and deterioration of available water sources. What is water shortage? It may be caused by climate change, such as altered weather patterns, including droughts or floods, increased pollution, and increased human demand and overuse of water. And third one is water crisis. It labels a situation where the available potable unpolluted water within a region is less than the region's demand. Water scarcity can result from two mechanisms. The first one is physical water scarcity. This scarcity results from inadequate natural water resources to supply a region's demand. The second one is economic water scarcity. This is caused by a lack of investment in infrastructure or technology to draw water from rivers, aquifers or other water sources, or insufficient human capacity to satisfy the demand for water. There is poor management of water resources. According to UNDP, the economic water scarcity is found more often to be the cause of countries or regions experiencing water scarcity, as most countries or regions have enough water to meet household, industrial, agricultural, and environmental needs. Access to clean water improves education. When students are freed from gathering water, they return to class with proper and safe latrines. Girls stay in school through their teenage years. Second, health. Safe water, clean hands, healthy bodies. Time lost to sickness is reduced and people can get back to work of lifting themselves out of poverty. Third one is hunger. Access to water leads to food security. With less loss, hunger is reduced. Schools can feed students with gardens, reducing cost. And last one is poverty. Access to water can bring the cycle of poverty. The communities we serve are ready to grow. We can't wait to see how they choose it. They are basic concepts about water scarcity. Thank you.